Hi everybody, coming up in today's video we have some big deep plugs for you, some skin removal as well. My name is Rhys, Barber, one of the audiologists here at Audiology Associates.
And my name is Taylor Green and I am the other audiologist here, as you know already if you've been following the channel for quite a bit.
Fingers crossed you have. If you're not, smash that subscribe button. We'd love to see you as a member of the channel as well.
That leaded on nicely to that.
That's like a greased weasel, straight in there.
This is my patient.
It is.
We've already cleared most of it, to be fair. It was quite a soft plug, and you can see we've got this really deep, kind of wedged right up against the eardrum. Plenty of oil has gone in here, luckily. That's really helped.
It is.
Always helps when taking this type of wax away. Or most of the waxes, actually. Yeah,
I'd say for most of the time it would be less helpful as if it was a really wet wax. I suppose it wouldn't be supposed to go for that one,
but you can see it's. I know I said it's wedged up against the eardrum. It's kind of sat. It's kind of touching it. It's not quite sort of stuck against it. So all I need to do here now is what I'm hoping is going to happen is we're going to just grab the suction onto the front. And the whole thing is going to come away.
Look at that.
Here's one I made earlier.
There you go. Perfect. Look at that coming away.
Perfect.
It was booping the eardrum. You know what that?
Yeah.
Booping. It was booping the eardrum.
I didn't get it all. It was a little bit left. Sorry. I was.
Get out, Taylor Green. Leave.
I'm gone. I'm too tired now anyway.
You've had a tough day today.
I've had an absolute battering today. Fair play.
Here we go.
But I'm good. Everyone has been sorted though. Everyone's good.
I think we managed to clear every single person today, didn't we?
Yes.
There you go.
With some with great difficulty, but
yeah, you've had some tough ones today. Well, mine's not been easy today. It's been one of those days today where I think everybody's had difficult. Yeah, they've either had no wax or just really difficult wax to remove. Yeah.
You can see there was a little tiny, little white patch on the eardrum, which is what we would call tympanosclerosis.
Yeah.
And that can just be scar tissue from previous perforations, or it could be almost like a change in skin pigmentation where there's repeated infections.
So you just have with age as well, can't it?
With age, otherwise really healthy though, no issues at all.
This is my patient. This was chunky. This was a big plug. It was tough as old boots as well. It just didn't want to come away particularly well, and it's deep. It's got everything going for it. I've had a string of really sort of massively deep earwax.
Yeah.
I don't know whether people are just trying to get it out with cotton buds or something at the moment. I'm not sure. It's difficult because it's so difficult to get appointments with GPs here in the UK at the moment. It's because they're so overworked, bless them, and it's so difficult to try and get in. So we are getting a lot of patients who've tried lots of different things on their own at home to try and get this stuff out first. Look at that layer of skin there. Look at that coming away.
Stretchy.
It's like a snake skin.
I was going to say, it's got to be the summer. It's got to be the warmer temperatures.
Might be.
It's the same every year, isn't
it? Yeah. That's all they seem to have edited is deep plugs,
really
deep plug.
Deep, soft, squishy.
Yeah.
Sort of
lots of stuff stuck to the eardrums and things. Yeah, loads of it at the moment. I suppose because you have got sort of sweat producing glands that are very outer part of the ear canal. So maybe it's sort of causing it to change consistency, and earwax a bit like candle wax. The warmer it gets, the sort of runnier and stickier it gets as well.
I mean, how shiny that
I know. Look at this though. Look at that. That is old. That is like ebony wax. It's so dark and deep in there, and you've got this layer of dry kind of skin around the outside edge.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you've got all happening in here. That is wedged as well. Look at that. That is not going anywhere.
Has the patient had this done before, do you know?
I can't quite remember on this particular patient. I can't remember. But that
looks ancient.
It does. Ye oldie wax. I had a lady who was 92 and she's never had wax taken out before. That was interesting, bless her. But look at this. It's a weird consistency because it's not quite brittle.
You can see it slowly nudging.
It's not solid. It's a really odd consistency. It's kind of coming away. You've got kind of bendy bits and flaky bits, and there's all sorts going on in here.
God, this would have had quite a few different symptoms, I would imagine. Itching, hearing loss.
Yeah, the whole lot. Yeah, it would have been a whole lot. Probably. Yeah, probably a little bit of discomfort from the outside part of the ear canal, but you can see this plug now is starting to move. It's got that kind of sort of coarser bits of hair in it as well, just to throw everything into the mix in one go. So Jobson Horn going in here now.
Oh, there we go. Normally works lovely when you've got them to that point.
If you can just get about,
Yeah.
just you can see me
Roll.
dented it, trying to roll it forwards and get the. I don't know. If I can just push maybe the canal wall up a little bit in this cartilaginous portion to get it down the side, maybe not.
It's the scoop.
It's
the scoop. It's
the scoop. The scoop.
Wrong corner.
Like because if you take an ice cream out of a tub.
It's awkward really because it's the angle most of the time. Look
at that.
I was a ribbon half.
That was a ribbon and a half.
Yeah, it looks a lot easier when you're looking at it on the videos, but you know some of the angles we have to get to on some patients because we set our patients obviously on a chair when we're doing these procedures. I know some audiologists or doctors or nurses will lie you down to do it.
They will, yeah. Oh, look at that! But no wonder that wasn't coming out. Look at that.
Nugget.
That is a big. Look how squeaky. Down the side of that ear canal, that's so squeaky clean. Oh, it boops and eats. So we are 3. I'll try 2 inches, 1.25 inches.
Yeah, just over 3 centimeters. I'd say really.
That's 3.5. That's
3.5.
3.5. That's definitely
3.5. That's
me. Do me out half a centimetre.
This mine again.
This is yours now.
Oh, this is mine again. Leading on to the really deep.
Yeah, there's a
conversation
theme.
we've just
Yeah,
had.
oh, look, he's doing
very,
it.
Very deep again. I've got the standard size on the tube here because it looked. I know it did look quite oiled, but generally these ones tend to be quite tough. So that one's actually come away really easy. We've got a really good grip. The whole thing's come away in one go, but it's when they start unraveling. Like these little bits usually take the longest to take away. Now you can already kind of see the slight change in colour to the ear canal. So we already know if I continue to try and tear it away, I'm not trying to actually peel it down the ear canal, but I'm trying to tear it off. There we go, we got little bits coming away now.
What's that? I was thinking this because we always got sweets on reception. We got some toffees. You know when the sweet, like a toffee's gone a little bit warm, and you try and unpeel it. It's that kind of trying to get the paper off. It's a bit like that, trying to get that out.
So yeah, same patient. Patient's not really having any issues with the hearing on this side, but you can see there's little gaps here and there where you can just about peek the eardrum in the distance. But again, this was more of a dry sort of feeling, like something's in there. Patient knew something was there, but wasn't feeling as bad as the other side. Yeah,
the other side was almost like it kind of spirals of dead skin. You could see it and kind of wrapping around itself.
It's coming away quite nicely.
Yes, that's what you want to see for this type.
Not really these bits.
Yeah,
you don't really want to see these little bits.
No. They're not always the easiest to get out, and sometimes you will leave little lifts there.
Yeah, and they're just noisy. They are so noisy to try and remove. You know, we physically have to come out of the ear most of the time with these little pieces of like dry skin that are still attached. Yeah, because they will whistle. They will clarinet.
Yeah, we will try and record it. Next time we get somebody that's clarinetting, you can sometimes hear it. I can hear it from Taylor's room, or Taylor can hear it from mine. You know, it is that loud sometimes. I'm going to go just under 1 inch. 2.5 centimeters.
I just got put off my picture coming up then.
if you watch this on YouTube, you would see the thumbnail at the beginning. If you watch this on Facebook, there's always a thumbnail at the end because we can't upload it, but that's fine. That's okay. Don't worry. Well, guys, thank you so much for watching our video again today. If you did enjoy the videos, you can always like, heart, share, follow, and subscribe for us. And if you really enjoyed the video and you watched this on YouTube, you could consider becoming a member. There's a link to that in the description below. But as always, guys, take care of yourselves.
Take care of your ears.
And take care of one another. Me and myself. And I. There you go. So myself and the lovely Mr. Taylor Green. There we go. We'll be back for the next video as well. But as always, guys, see you soon.
Bye.